Welcome to this week's trading diary. Today we will look at November 2024 between 11th till the 15th. Actually, I think we will look at one trade from before. In the future, it will be sorted that I will record after at the end of each day one recording, so it will be more combined and more up to date. Today we need to more play with the lines and move them a bit because obviously with time I moved the lines. But let's just start it and let's see what I've done this week. So first, looking at the economic calendar, we had got on Wednesday CPI, core CPI in US. Then we had got PPI on Thursday, initial job claims, and core retail sales and retail sales on Friday. And on Thursday also Fed Chair Powell was speaking. I'm not trading for the events, but I'm looking when there are events to know when there will be a bigger volatility in the market. So here we are on silver, and I think I will start, as I was saying, with one trade before on Friday, the 8th of November. So here I have got the trend lines. They should be red as they are going down. This is the strategy which I've learned from Tori Trades. So go and check out her channel. It's amazing. And it's a very simple strategy. So she's really good at making things perfect. Here we have the two main downtrend lines, the red lines. And here we're having the third one. We're on the 10-minute time frame. I'm still playing between 5, 15, maybe 1 hour time frames. And here we're having 10. We have a couple of touch points on the trend line, so it's valid. And then the price broke first, and I didn't see that there is a consolidation, but there was, so it kicked me out very, very soon. And then on the second break, and let's look at the time, it was 12:40, I took a trade and got out on the first horizontal line of resistance. It went slightly even higher. I could have put that line actually up till somewhere here. Here we're seeing some touch points. But I got out a bit earlier just to get my profits. So it was here. So a small loss and some profit. On Wednesday, as I remember, yeah, there was CPI. We're seeing here that there was a consolidation. I was seeing it. The price went down below the first green trend line. I took a short trade. However, then the price went back to my safety line. And then because there was the day of CPI, literally at 1:30, it kicked me out with the wick and immediately went back. And then because it went out, I took a long trade. And then this line moved here because we're having the new low. And then I was kicked out by crossing another safety line, so the green line. So again, I took a reverse trade, and now I traded down short from that line, and then I was having the take profit on the yellow support line. However, I got out a bit earlier as I wanted to cover 2 losses. So in general, if I would keep the trade and wait for that first pullback and then create another safety line, I could get even lower and maybe even overnight. However, this is not so much overnight, keep the trade. But we can see that first actions were between 11, 12, 1 a.m. UK time. So this is when silver is starting to make moves. Here we can delete now those lines. I think this is the time to adjust this point to the current top. Actually, we're not having a current top yet. Then here were trades on Thursday. Again, Thursday we were having initial job claims, PPI, and at 8 p.m. UK time, the Fed Chair Powell was speaking. So here we had got the downtrend line, and the downtrend line was crossed here. And I took the trade slightly later because I missed that move. Actually, I think I didn't miss it. I think I was skipping it. Yes, I was looking for the second confirmation. So very often, like, I'm doing a double confirmation on the silver, as it tends to consolidate in the mornings, and then, as I was saying, between 11 and 12 move through. So it crossed here. I took a trade. I started it, and then it went literally to our safety line here. That line that I deleted was not existing yet. So this was my safety line. This is where the stop was trailing. So the price went back to it, literally touched it, made the third point, and went up, 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 up to my horizontal line where I took profit. Also, I took profit because I created a new safety line, more steep, and here it crossed the line, and this is the moment where I took the trade. And this actually trade was on 1 hour, I think, time frame. As we are still in a challenge with Tori from the accelerator. So we were trying to keep as long as possible trades. So this was my trade, and I was having another trade on but we cannot see it here actually, on futures, and I was keeping it overnight. And here with that wick it kicked me out here. And then afterwards it went just slightly above, but it would kick me out anyway here. So it was the same price as I got out earlier. Then I would end up I think almost a day later. So there was no benefit from that. So those are my, I think, 3 trades that I took. This line is not any more important. So these are the 3 trades that I took. Now obviously we need to adjust the lines and delete some lines that are not important anymore for the new week. And let's see what will happen on Monday with our lovely silver. It's this line. No, there's no steeper line yet because there's no pullback. This is also like not a great line to keep, as we have a pullback first here, but this one was crossed, so actually it's a downtrend, but we didn't took that right yet. Thank you, and see you next week.